Sonicstate here at Superbooth 2018 with Grant at the Teenage Engineering booth.
Nice to see you.
Hi, we're going to have a little look at what the current state of play is with kind of long-awaited OPZ.
Yeah, me too. We've all been waiting a good time, but we want to make it good and we really want to do it right when we put it out there.
So it's coming soon, but the price is set now.
Price is set. We're looking at $599 US.
Okay.
Yeah.
And interestingly now, we can see the app.
Yeah, we're showing the app. I mean, things might change. It's still beta stage, but yeah, we're running the app.
Great. And what sort of thing can we expect from the app then? What's going on here?
Well, to be honest, you don't really need it to get around. I mean, it's fine to make music, everything we can do without the app. But if you want it for the display and so on, you know, we can go to our synth tracks and we can see the ADSR, we can see the LFO, we can see the mixer track, and we can look around and see those kinds of things.
And how is this connecting? Via Bluetooth?
Yeah, it's via Bluetooth. It's a little button you connect and then it hooks itself up.
Great. Okay. So the app, so you say, we're seeing parameters, but there is a whole thing with the kind of visual manipulation side of it too.
Yeah,
isn't there?
That's one thing that a lot of people are focused on. We do have visuals. We have two things at the moment. We have something called Photomatic. If I stop this, I can go to the Photomatic page and then take the app to the Photomatic. So we can sequence photographs from our phone. We can add effects to them. I can turn it on.
You can import photos then from your photo roll from your phone into this then?
That's the plan, yeah.
Right, okay.
And we'll be able to sequence that, add effects and so on. I think we have some interesting effects turned on at the minute and we can do this.
And then are you able then to output the video so it could go into something and run the app at the same time?
Well, so because it's connected by Bluetooth,
yeah.
So the OPZ is talking to the iOS device via Bluetooth. You can then get a Thunderbolt to HDMI adapter and run it out that way.
Out the phone, yeah.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, cool. Because then otherwise there is a way as well of getting video out if you were connecting to a computer via another method.
We have the app on iOS. We do plan to have it on OS X as well.
Okay.
The OPZ itself is not putting out any visuals, it's just talking to the app and controlling the app in that sense.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
It's just sending like a...
yeah.
It's just like... you can see there.
Yeah. So Tobias is demonstrating some of the effects. Yeah, here we are.
Here we are.
Yeah. Switching them out, yeah.
Okay, so, I mean, we've had a little look at the OPZ before, but just give us a little summary, just for people maybe who are experiencing it for the first time.
Okay, I mean, what's really cool about it, you can make an old track, and you got 16 tracks. We've got 4 drum tracks, 4 synthesizer bass tracks.
Yep.
We've got 2 master FX tracks. We have a tape, which is more of a tape effect rather than recording to tape.
Okay.
Because the big difference between the OP1 and the OPZ is that this is very sequencer based.
Right.
So this is a really robust sequencer, whereas this one you record to tape and then it's on the tape.
Yeah, yeah.
We then have a master track for transpose. We can transpose and see what key we're in. It works it out by knowing what notes we played.
So pretty much everything that you're doing on the OPZ then is being represented in the app then?
If you're connected, yeah.
You're connected,
totally, yeah.
But as you say, you don't need that.
No, I mean, the thing that, if you want to get into the other visual side, we have the Photomatic, we also have this thing called Motion, which is involving Unity 3D, and this is quite interesting. This is still early beta, but if we go to this track, we can actually see a dashboard overview of our entire track.
No way!
There's our ADSR. We can scroll through. Here's the step that we're on. It's not running at the moment, but that'll be the step.
Wow.
And I'm using the blue knob to pan, and you can see that moving as I move, and we get a general overview of what's going on, and then we press play, and it all starts moving.
That's fun.
Yeah, and then you can sequence that and so on. If I change track, you can see it updates with what track I'm on. Yeah.
I can see a VR headset coming on.
Yeah, that'd be an interesting idea. I wonder if we could talk to someone about that.
Yeah.
That'd be great.
Wow, cool. Okay, so soon is all we're saying. Coming soon.
We hope soon, but at the moment we don't have a fixed date.
Okay, just trying to get everything right. It's quite an ambitious project, and so.
No. I mean, we got a lot of work to do, and we really want it to be really good when it comes out. So, but yeah, I'm really confident that I really enjoy the sequencer. I'm a big sequencer nerd.
Yeah.
And I love the sequencer on this thing, with the step components and so on.
So, because with the step, can you just run the sequence?
Yeah, sure. Let's go to an empty pattern. and let's clear it. So we clear the pattern.
Yeah, just show us a very quick workflow.
Yeah, so we choose our track, we choose a kick. Okay, let's say we have this sound, and let's just make a random kick pattern. And now that's running at 16 steps, but I might model that to be, I like doing 11. 11's always good for a kick.
Yeah.
Take your snare, we put that on a normal 16. So we got a polyrhythm going. And then say for the hi-hat, so we can put some hi-hats in. Run those, and we got the hi-hats going. But then we can add what's called a step component, and we have 16 of these. As we're in beta, these may change what they can do, but one that I find I like personally is ratcheting.
Oh yeah.
So I don't know if you're a big Tangerine Dream fan. They used to do a lot of ratcheting, where if you have like a four-step sequence, you could say, for example, take step 3 and make that one 4 steps, then making it an 8-step sequence. So we can do that by holding shift, hitting the step that we want to add the step component to, adding the ratchet. I think it's called times every cycle on this one, and then choosing how many times we'd like it to ratchet. So we see that it pauses on that one and repeats.
Oh, wow.
And then we can do other things like jump step.
That's nice. This is kind of stuff that just isn't in the OP1 at all. So they are really separating them
exactly,
as very different things.
Definitely.
So if you were to flick back to that like kind of nice cockpit display, would we see this sequence then?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure how much we're going to see in there at the moment. Start again. There we go, it's running.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah, and we can pan around and
right, so if you could see the different tracks, then you'd see it, how long they would run.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay, cool.
So, yeah.
Lots of fun. I mean, yeah, and as I say, teenage engineering, what to expect? Well, expect the unexpected with
hopefully
teenage engineering.
Hopefully you expect fun
yeah.
and good music. Hopefully.
Brilliant. Grant, thanks so much.
Thank you very much.
Excellent.
Cheers, thank you.